Alright, so look, see how they blocking the sun out today? And here's the dead giveaway. You see how the clouds have this little ripple in it? Okay, that's because the particulates that were sprayed in the atmosphere has been manipulated by electromagnetic frequencies. So when you see these ripples in the atmosphere, these are EMF waves that are permeating throughout the atmosphere. And rest assured that there is a cell phone tower somewhere, okay? So you have to be cognizant of these facts. This is not of God, right? This is man-made weather control. Now, they're doing more than one thing than trying to block out the sun, which is big enough. All right, when we get into those details, we might have an understanding of how spiritual this war is and the fact that they are spending billions of dollars each day to block it out. Okay, but they're also using this to poison the atmospheres. They're poisoning the food, they're poisoning the water, and they're doing it by poisoning the air by spraying these particulates in the air. And I get mad sometimes because I hear everybody, oh, it feels so good out here. This is a great day. We're not sweating today. Well, yeah, you are inhaling nanoparticulates. It's called smart dust. And once they have this smart dust in your body, then they can do anything with these nanoparticulates that are controlled via electromagnetic frequency. Okay, this is how they can induce disease. They can cause sickness. They can once they have these nanobots in your body, they can manipulate and control them to perform any given task that they want them to do. Ladies and gentlemen, they are programming and broadcasting dis-ease. You follow me? And I'm not even in a major city. And it's going on in the countryside. So I just want Americans to know what this is when they see this, because this is not something that is of God. Okay, it is not of God, and it is not a good thing. I don't care if it's a cool, breezy day. Listen, you had better hope for more sunlight. You follow me? Because this is the only way you could, listen, you take your iPhone, you set it out in the sunlight for 30, 40 minutes. And what happens? You will get an error message that says it's overheating. And if you don't take it out of the sun, you're going to short out that circuitry in that smartphone. Well, these nanoparticulates, these nanobots, these are small mini computer circuits. Okay? So you need to be in the sunlight, getting sun exposure as much as you possibly can. This will help deactivate and destroy the nanobots that are in your body. You follow me? So being exposed to prolonged amounts of sunlight is not a bad thing if you can handle it. I know a lot of people can't handle the sunlight, which is a problem, okay? A whole nother video, a whole nother conversation for another day. Keep your head on the swivel. Intel.